Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today, I just bought this RV and this quad because one day I might want to go camping and stuff. So yeah, let's just head to my house. First, okay, I'm off the radio. No. Okay, let's go. Guys, I hope I don't pull over. Okay. Oh my god, there's the police station right there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's a cop. Uh-oh. Better go, better go, better go, better go. Is he pulling me over? No. Dude, I couldn't even get to my house yet. I couldn't even get to my house yet, bro.
Hello, so do you know why I pulled you over today?
Get out of my car. No, I don't.
You ran a red light back there.
Oh, I'm sorry. I did not notice, sir.
It will be a fine for that.
Okay.
So let me just go and get my notepad real quick. Right back.
Here. No, my bro forgot my. Here's my license and registration. Here.
Wait, let me come around.
Here.
Grad. Alright, let me go and run your registration. I'll be right back.
Okay. Guys, I'm really scared because this is my first time driving one of these big trucks. Guys, uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o, guys.
Seems like a stolen vehicle. Seems like a stolen truck with an RV and an ATV on. And the person does not look the same. Yeah, right. Hello, sir. How long have you been driving this car for?
I just bought it yesterday. With these.
Can you show me, it comes up on our, radio that, whatever it's called, this truck is stolen with the RV.
Yeah, I can show you. I PayPal'd the guy from the dealership. Here, look. Here, let me get out so I can show you. Look, see? Look. Right there, it says 500,000 out from the bank from this truck yesterday that I bought from the dealership. You could even go ask the owner, sir.
Can you just go and check the license plate? 1 sec.
Here, you want me to get the RV down so you could?
No, I can see it. I'll just hop on.
Okay.
How do I do that? What's going on, RV? Gang.
The quad don't have a license. The quad don't have a license plate. What the?
That would be an arrest for not having a license plate on either vehicle. Alright, so you are going to be arrested for having no license.
The license plate is right on. See, it's right there. It's right there.
N1670 Bravo. Alright.
Yep. And the quad don't have one because it's not street legal, but I do bring it mudding sometimes, though.
You're free to go, but if I find you on red lights again, you will be arrested.
Okay.
Let me just explain. When I turn my lights on,
Uh-oh. I don't want to crash into him. Sir? I can't fit.
Yes.
I can't fit.
One sec.
I'm gonna have to go this way to my house.
You can't go that way. That is private property. You'll have to turn back or try and go. It might. Actually, no. You're not car. You're gonna have to go first and find a different route.
My friend owns this road, so he lets people drive on it.
Can I see that?
Yep,
Information
I'll look. I got the text right here.
Oh yeah. What does that say?
It said that he just bought this.
I'll lay you down there, but I'll be driving down there with you.
Okay.
Just run.
I'm gonna keep my hazards on though, cause I am an oversized load.
If you do that while I'm gonna. At the top, are you going left, right, or straight?
Left, sir.
Yeah. That's right, sir.
I meant right. I'm sorry. What? Dude, don't crash into my car. Please don't.
There you go, sir. I'm just gonna quickly spin around.
Hey, sir, can you by chance open my garage?
Yeah.
Cause that's where the RV goes.
What is over there?
Yup, big garage. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. What the heck? What the heck? How did that just spawn in?
Wait.
What?
Sorry, that's just my patrol car. Sorry. That's just my patrol car. Sorry, I forgot about it.
Where? How did that just get here? What the heck? Okay. Ooh, first time driving this RV down. Ooh. Ooh, wait. Ooh, I gotta detach the lights. What the heck? Okay. Takes down all some of the lights because it'll crash. Lights will fall.
Right, I'm now gonna Also, do you need security? Because if you do, I can get my buddy here to be a security.
No, sir, it's fine. If you want, I'm gonna just buy a cop car off of y'all. Cause I have a permit. I have a permit to buy cop cars. I'm friends with the boss. You could call your boss right now. Say, hey, by chance, is there someone named Noah that you know? And he'll say yes, dude. I'm so for real. He'll say yes.
Yeah, well, I'm now on my break.
Call your boss. Boss. The heck? Where did your cars just go?
Don't actually know where they were. I am on duty right now, so they probably went bye-bye.
Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope y'all guys had a good time. And I'll see you all guys in the next one. See ya!